Welcome back to Airsoft Taiwan, and today we're going to introduce a couple WE manufactured products, and the first one you will definitely recognize, and that's the AK PMC. Now what's special about this new AK PMC, this GBB, is that the upper and lower receivers are both full stamped steel. Besides that, your bolt is a full travel bolt. You can lock it with the firing selector. And with that, you can actually take a look inside the ejection port and see inside the chamber that it's a GBB. Just for ease of use, we'll remove the upper receiver there, and you can see inside. And if I release the bolt, you can see the trigger set as well, which is a very well manufactured set. Looks very realistic. Replace the upper receiver. There we go. Now our trigger, our fire selector, down at the bottom here we have semi-auto, full auto, and safe. I'll leave it in safe for now. Besides that, this GBB has the rear sight with an adjustable setting, upper and lower rails in the front which you can use to attach your accessories. We have a QD 360 sling mount, which is very easily adjustable. To press the button, the catch or release, you can use it on the left or right hand side of the weapon. And we have a Votor stock, which is collapsible to 4 different positions. Besides that, we also have a steel plated magazine, which is compatible with all your WEAKs, making it very useful for anything else that you've previously owned. And this is the new AK PMC. The second WE manufactured product that we have for you today is the f226 pistol, and this is a replica of the P226. Now, with this pistol, we have in the left hand grip the f226 logo. On the right hand grip, we have a SEAL Team 6 logo. And up on our ejection port, we have 9mm para stamped in. Now, if we lock our slide, we can take a look at this weapon. You can see inside we have our firing pin. Now, on previous versions of this pistol, the firing pin was a fixed mechanism. That's not so with this. This is actually able to move. It's an individual part, making it look quite realistic. As we already have the slide locked, we can take a look at the outer barrel, and inside here, our outer barrel is threaded. We have not tried it yet, but we are suspecting that we actually may be able to put our silencer on here as well. What we're going to do is we're going to take this apart and take a look at the internals for you. Here we've disassembled the f226, and we're going to take a look at the slide's internals. Here we have our slide. And what we're interested in here today is the nozzle, which is up here at the top. Now this nozzle, what's special about it is it has a 1mm greater diameter inside. And what this allows for is for more gas to get inside the cylinder, giving us a better kickback with each round that is fired. Turning our slide sideways, you can see inside here we have our hop up, and that's very easy to adjust as well. Finally, with this f226 pistol, we have both an aluminum slide and aluminum frame. We'll remove our magazine. Now, even if you give this a shake, there's very little sound. There's very little gap between the slide and the frame. Now, this will also give a very good performance when shooting this weapon as well. Airsoft Taiwan accessories, and today we're going to introduce some reinforced parts and we have two different companies today. The first being ESD, and what they have here today is a cylinder and cylinder head. Now on previous versions of this, the cylinder head actually just slid into the cylinder, but with this one it's actually screwed. You can see inside the cylinder there are threads there. Now with this you're going to get a really good air seal, but with all your different AEGs you can adjust at different lengths depending on what you need, and it will fit just about any AEG. Our other products here today are all from Action Army. Now the first of them is, actually all of these except for one are for the VSR-10. The first one being the cylinder kit, and that's right here. Right below that we have a power spring, and we have a VSR-10 spring guide. Down below here we have a reinforced piston, an enforced trigger base, hop-up bucking, and over here we have our VSR-10 adapter. Now this one is for the outer barrel, and what it does is it will allow you to attach your silencer or hide any extended inner barrel that you might have on your rifle. Finally up here we have our VSR-10 inner barrel spacer kit. Now this goes between the outer and inner barrel, and what it will do is give you more stability and better accuracy. Our final piece here today is for the Javelin M24, and this is a trigger sear set. Here we are, everything that we've introduced to you today, all of our products, and you can take a better look at these at airsofttaiwan.com. They're all available right now, and we'll see you next week with some more products and accessories. Thanks for watching.